We are born ready as South Africans. What are you talking about? We have hosted the 2010 World Cup. We must just rush to cabinet. Cabinet must give us permission. You know, what we have inherited, and the team has inherited in DSEC, you've got very capable people there. I can tell you. The people in that department has never gotten their dues. They were insulted by this artist that maybe they want to take everything for themselves. And they will name and shame individuals that was fighting against that capture. But I believe in the staff in DSEC. I think we're South Africans, we'll pull that together. But within 48 hours, somebody must make a decision. But don't say I'm a fortune teller. After this press conference, Morocco will be ready.
And South Africa, we're not saying anything, we're just saying we are ready. If Morocco is not ready to take over, we are ready because we feel preparations have gone ahead. Women are ready to tackle this competition. And if we postpone, what does it mean to them financially? So we are serious about the professionalization of women's sports in South Africa. And that's the stance that we are taking. And I'm happy that today it is clear that there is no tension between myself and the minister. We are in agreement to say that if Morocco is not ready to host Wafcon, South Africa is ready.